pole shot. Executive 40. Ala. Wala na executive eh. Jet Lawrence ng Pinas, whole shot. Ay, napalo nga. Hay. Hala, nilupad Jet Lawrence pa. Jet Lawrence. Oh. Sosay. Tara, Richard Old Gomez versus Jet Lawrence. Piping Mar, Alegre, CJ Coime, Tristan Galanto, Sirsong Turillas, Manny Apolokyo, Manoy Role, Bong Naps. Wow, oy. Wow. Jet Lawrence on second, Richard Old Gomez on the lead. Piping Mar, Engineer Piping Mar, Alegre, Tristan Galanto, CJ Coime, Manoy Role, Manny Apolokyo, Sirsok Turillas, Bong Naps, Jorlan, and Imnasi. Ay, nilupad si Richard Old Gomez. Wow. Allah. Hop. Ball. Nilupad si pare. Oh, short, Tristan. So, still leading Timoy, Richard Old Gomez, followed by Jet Lawrence ng Pinas. Piping Mar on third, Alegre, CJ Coime, Tristan Galanto, Manoy Role. Whoop! Wow. Grabe Gozo, Boss John Cortez ang Gozo. Okay na boss. Uno. White flag. Grabe coach by John Cortez. Champion Gate Planas. Wow. Second, Richard Old Gomez. Third, Engineer Piping Mar, CJ Coime. Oy, Manoy Role pumasok. Alegre. Tristan Galanto. Bye, victory lap, bye. Allah. Bye, victory lap. Champion! Jet Lawrence! Champion! Richard Old Gomez. Engineer Piping Mar, Manoy, Kariopong, Alegre, Tristan Galanto, Manny Apolokyo, Bong Naps, Jordan Bandigan, and Sir Sok Torilias.